Yay, I got a hotel room. In the reservation, trying to book the room, it was snatched away by somebody else. After a beautiful cruise out of Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades, I found myself stuck when Storm Fern cancelled thousands of flights. In this video, I'll share what happened and what to do first if your flight gets cancelled. For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship The cruise was wonderful and absolutely everything that I needed. But while we were still at sea, word started spreading. A winter storm was moving in. Some passengers were already getting notifications that their flights were cancelled before we even had left the ship. So many flights were being cancelled, but mine wasn't. And since my flight wasn't leaving until 6 p.m. that night, I had booked a resort day pass for the brand new Omni resort at Port Everglades, so my day wasn't lost. So I spent my day there just to ease back into land before heading home. I waited all day watching the time and checking my flight info. Everything still said it was on time. Well, when I got to the airport, I checked in and I walked to the gate, and 1 hour before my flight, I got my phone buzzing and it said flight cancelled. When I first got the cancellation notice, I felt a little panic. I was just standing at the gate and thinking, what's best to do next? So I went and opened up my phone and immediately tried to reschedule my flight. Here is why. I saw so many passengers walking back to the airline counter and standing in line for a very long time. While they were waiting, flights were already getting booked out.
Quick interruption, I have to toot my own horn. I'm so sorry. We'll be right back with the video. I'm sorry, my second language is English. I've been making this product since 5 years and I've been giving it away to friends. And now it's finally on Amazon, so I'm really excited about this. It's a sugar scrub with organic coconut oil, lavender oil, and organic sugar crystals. This stuff makes your skin glowing and soft and smooth. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, back to the video. Thanks.
One thing to know when your flight gets cancelled, your luggage will be waiting for you at the arrivals carousel. In this case, there was Mercedes patiently waiting for me. Next on my list was finding a hotel room and then arranging an Uber or taxi to get there. It's easy to feel rushed or stressed in moments like this, but taking it step by step really helps. Yay, I got a hotel room. Hotel rooms were going really fast. I was in the middle of another reservation for a less expensive room, and while I was in the reservation trying to book the room, it was snatched away by somebody else. So I ended up now at the Sonesta, which is really nice. I mean, the room is wonderful, but expensive, and I know everybody who got stuck, everybody's vacation got a lot more expensive because now we all have to spend several more nights in Fort Lauderdale, which is better being stuck in Fort Lauderdale than in Dallas, where it's like 15 degrees right now. When I rebooked my flight, I was able to get the next flight for Tuesday morning, which tonight is Sunday, which is still crazy. Tuesday morning, let's hope that really is going to work, because I've heard from some other people that their Tuesday morning flights were already cancelled too. But while I was, after I rebooked my flight for Tuesday morning, then I helped a passenger next to me to get the same flight, and by the time they went online to try to get the same flight, it was already booked. So their next option was Wednesday morning. They can't even get out now until Wednesday morning. I'm safe and sound, have a roof over my head, and not in the air and crazy weather, which I'm really thankful for. And let's just try to enjoy the day tomorrow and see what happens next.
And you guys know I'm an artist, so I have brand new cover-ups with my art on them. And so check them out. I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'9", and it's nice and long for me, but check out the exact size before you buy on my website, JSFA, Jenny Simon. And you can wear them over your bikini or wear them with jeans in the winter. Looks fantastic. All right.
The Sonesta hotel was beautiful and right across from the beach, the perfect place to regroup. I spent the morning taking a dip in the ocean, letting the water wash away the stress of the situation. Later, I met up with a few other travelers who also were stuck, and we headed into Miami's South Beach for dinner. By the end of the day, I was just thankful. Thankful to have such a great time and thankful to be safe and sound in such a beautiful place. Even when travel doesn't go as planned, moments like these remind me why I keep exploring. I was on my way to the airport at 3:45 a.m. After several hours of delays, including a connecting flight, I finally saw the familiar pretty hills of Orange County appear. I was so happy to be home. I hope everyone else made it home safe and sound as well. Travel can throw unexpected storms your way, but there's always a way forward. Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.